What have we learned in this lesson? Well, first we know, by way of review, that grid infrastructure is a separate download, a separate installation, and a separate instance to manage. I did mention in passing that new in Oracle Database 12c is the concept of the ASM Flex instance, which is a special purpose situation where you have a real application cluster or rack environment, and you do not want to have to maintain a separate ASM instance on every node in the cluster. That is possible to have a loosely coupled situation between ASM instances and your shared storage. So that's cool. We know also, in terms of summary and review, that grid infrastructure, or GI, gives us the ability to deploy the cluster bits, the ASM bits together, or we can do them separately. As a point of fact, the demo, we demonstrated that concretely, that we set up automatic storage management in a single instance environment. We know a bit about managing ASM. We know that disk groups are not visible at the OS layer, that we have to use special tools. We have the ASM CMD command line utility, and Oracle is kind enough to give us the ASM CA, the graphical configuration assistant, for basic disk group management and cluster tasks. And finally, we know, and we'll build upon this practically moving forward, that we address both ASM instances as well as individual disk groups by appending, or specifically prepending, the plus sign before the instance or the disk group name. So there you have it, friends. Good job on working through this module. I know it may not be intuitive or easy for you. With that, I look forward to teaching you in the next module.